ang daming buses. Ayan. Kasi sinasabi ng tour guide, this is one of the most crowded tourist spot. So let's see what's inside. Nag-i-English naman yung guide. And what I understood, may pond inside kung saan po pwede kaming uminom kasi sobrang linis daw. So yun lang ang naintindihan ko. This way! So this is the cleanest water na po pwede doon uminom. Look, iinom talaga. Uminom kayo? Uminom kayo? Okay, so this time iinom daw tayo. Ayan, tikman natin. Lamig. So ito na nga yung pinakamalinis na pond. So wag daw magtapon ng coins. And parang sarap maligo doon. Tapos super nag-enjoy lang yung mga fish. So this is the village na sinasabi. Naku, 45 minutes lang kami. Pero parang ang daming pwedeng gawin at kainin. Wow! Masarap yung grapes din. Ayan, we will try itong isang... Anong tawag dito? Rice cake?
Mochi.
Mochi?
Mochi.
Mochi. Okay, may pera pa naman tayo.
Ay, wait lang, mag-picture tayo.
Okay. One. Thank you.
Philippine, yeah.
Philippines.
Philippine Jean.
Here. Yeah, we'll also buy another food. This is 200. One. Wow. I'll get here. That one? Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Here. So let's try it. Anong tawag dito? Fishball? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito.
Astem.
Ha? Astem? Astem. What is this?
Rice ball.
Ha?
Rice. Rice.
Rice.
Rice.
Rice ball. Rice ball. Rice ball. Okay, rice ball.
Nandito rin siya.
Okay. Ay, tikman ko lang.
Ikaw muna for the vlog. Anong lasa? Masarap hindi, abusin mo yan. Ayaw na namin.
Para siyang ano, yung bilo-bilo na minatamis. Ito finally, makahanap tayo ng basurahan. Ang next natin titikman ay ang kanilang Korean food. So ang dadayuhin lang dito ay of course food trip, then kung mauuhaw ka dun ka sa malinis na spring water. Pero meron din ditong beer, cost 500 yen. Pwede na. So dito this is 2,000, pero parang mas mura dun sa una namin binilhan. So expect mo naman kasi this is crowded by tourists, kaya medyo pricey ng konti yung food. Okay, hanap pa tayo, pero parang so far wala na, yun lang. So ang dadayuhan mo lang talaga dito ay yung pond na malinis. Ayan ang mga po pwedeng bilhin, pasalubong. What's that? Oh, dried mango. Tax free. Ayan naman mga stone. So from 200 to 300, 400, 500 yen. And then there's an ice cream. Ito, ano ba to? Dried mushroom. Oh, let's try it. Ayan. May free taste naman. Sarap. What else? Hanap pa tayo. Ito, 300 but don't understand. Oh, is this siomai? What's this? Takoyaki. Okay.
700.